So this is the row of steps. As you can see, it's pretty steep, so I did not take the video while coming down the steps, but I'm taking the video while climbing up to the next viewpoint, and I hope that from there we'll have a better view of the Kaba waterfalls. Everywhere it's really very nice view. So we came this way, and then when we have to return, we have to also go up this staircase, and here there's a bifurcation, and here the second row of steps. I think from there there's a little terrace where a viewpoint sort of thing where you can probably see the falls. So it goes like this. Again, a lot of ferns growing here. The good thing is also that there's a railing here to hold. So if you're a bit like me, I have arthritis of the hips and knees. It's a bit difficult. Then this is quite a blessing, the railing. You can just lean to the railing and walk down. So this is another viewpoint, and let's see what we see from here. Did you see there's the terrace there? And it looks really very spectacular here from here. So when I go down, I think it'll look even better. Yeah, here you can see the waterfall. The water really falling down the cliff into the valley. A deep valley, and all these surrounding the Khasi hills of Meghalaya, between Shillong and Cherrapunjee, or Sora as they're called here. So we are more closer to Cherrapunjee actually, and farther away from Shillong. So that's me here, and once again the waterfall and the nature up here. The staircase up here, so I'll have to go up the staircase and back towards the exit. So with that, I would like to say thank you to everyone, and please like and share and subscribe. And you can always write comments in the description box. I will always reply, maybe not instantly, but I will. And I hope you also think of coming to Meghalaya. It's a very beautiful place, and everything is very nice. And when you're here, try and keep everything clean, and see that the nature remains like that for the next generation. Thank you, and bye-bye.